Hello everybody, let's take a look at a fun eclipse activity. For this activity, we'll need the following materials: a pair of scissors, a black marker or a pen, a paper tape roll, a ping pong ball, and a disposable paper plate. First, take the paper plate and turn it around like this. Now, place the roll on top of the paper plate and using your marker or a pen, draw a circle as shown here. Remember, you can always ask an adult to help you with this step. Once the circle is complete, you can take your marker and draw another smaller circle in the middle of this larger circle. This will represent Earth. You can also write Earth in English or the letter E, or we'd encourage for you to write any word that represents Earth in your language. Once done, draw an arrow at the 12 o'clock position as shown here. Now, using your marker, draw 4 points on the larger circle you drew earlier. These points represent the moon's position in its orbit around the Earth. We can now label these points as point 1, point 4, point 3, and point 2. Remember, they have to be in this particular order. Now, you have to be careful, and we recommend asking an adult for help. Cut the section as shown here with a paper cutter, but remember, don't cut at points 2 and 4, so that once you're done, the cut looks something like this. You can move this central cut, this piece of the paper plate, up and down like this. Now it's time for us to test our model. Remember the ping pong ball? That represents the sun. Now, try to move the ping pong ball along the different points that you've written. Remember, at point 1 and 3, the sun and the moon are not in the same plane. However, at point 2 and 4, all three bodies are in the same plane, and that is when you have eclipses. And this is why you don't have eclipses every month, because the moon's orbit is tilted with respect to Earth. We hope you liked this activity. For more videos, check out Kainaat Kids English on YouTube.